Welcome to my studio. My name is Emmy Kastner and I'm an author and illustrator of books for kids, like these books. This is a series that I make called Nerdy Babies. Each book is an exploration of something that we're all curious about, like rocks, the ocean, weather, and space, which is perfect because I hear that this is the theme this week. And my friends at Read and Write Kalamazoo and the Geek Fest and the Kalamazoo Public Library thought that I may have some ideas of things that we could write about. And they're right, I do. But before we get into the writing, I thought I could give you the quickest tour of my studio. I'm so happy you're here. So that's it. We're going to take cool scientific facts, like there's no sound in space. That's a very cool fact. Or simpler, a fact, the sun is a star, right? And then you're going to spin it and you're going to add some fiction to it. That means something that you make up. So if I was writing a poem, I could say, the sun is a star, and the next line I could say, filled with lemon candy. That's fiction. I made that up. So the sun is a star. I didn't make that up. Filled with lemon candy, I thought of that. So then you can make a book. Like I'm working, top secret, I'm working on a book right now based on a scientific space fact that I find very cool and interesting. And I'm building a whole story and characters all around that one fact. I wish I could tell you more about it, but it's top secret someday. So that's it, that's the writing prompt. If you could share them with me and Read and Write Kalamazoo, I would be so excited to read everything that you're writing. Happy writing.